feelings are outspoken, or just trying to live in the moment? Does it make you feel alive? And I'm trying to let you fake it your own way, but in time your mountain will crumble down, and it will make you feel alone. I'll disregard you in the summer. I'm not calling out for you. Yeah, I never wanna treat like you to wear me out, but if you're standing with me, don't hold on to the fire till it burns you to the ground. Da, 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 da. And I never wanna trip like you to wear me out, but if you're standing with
The only regrets we'll have from yesterday are the chances that we didn't take. So follow me away from all you knew. You're scared to death and I'm scared to show it. Every mile this road keeps rolling farther from the place that we called home. It's all static on the airwaves out here, but if you listen now, the music's loud and clear. The sound of restless wheels against the road, a U-Haul truck that's overloaded with dreams bigger than this open sky. The melody of bigger plans in harmony with second chances. So listen to this song here tonight. This could be the soundtrack of our lives. I'll write the verse, you write the chorus, as this road rolls out before us, past the broken bridges we once traveled on. When our rhythm's just a bit off time, when the key is wrong and the words don't rhyme, we just might end up with a perfect song. From here on out, it's only you and me. So tonight, let's write our symphony with the sound of restless wheels against the road, a U-Haul truck that's overloaded with dreams bigger than this open sky. The melody of bigger plans in harmony with second chances. So listen to this song you hear tonight. This could be the soundtrack of our lives, rolling forward, so we gotta chase these dreams tonight. It's all so clear to me. The only regrets we'll have from yesterday are the chances that we didn't take. So follow me away from all you know. Restless wheels against the road, a U-Haul truck that's overloaded with dreams bigger than this open sky. The melody of bigger plans in harmony with second chances. So listen to this song you hear tonight. This could be the track of